good morning and happy Vlogmas! It is the day in the life Sacile edition, which is my favorite edition. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you're liking the Vlogmas videos, make sure that you're subscribed and maybe tell a friend. So thanks so much. Enjoy the video. A day in my Italian life, which is always a great day. The mountains are covered in snow and it is stunning. I just got to base. The sun is rising a lot later right now, so I was able to watch a little bit of the sunrise. It's 30 degrees right now. Brr! Let's go to the gym. All showered and fresh and clean, and definitely more alive than last time I was talking to myself. Just started a new workout program and I'm really liking it. It's way more cardio than I've been doing, which I definitely need, especially because it is winter and ski and snowboarding season is upon us. I haven't decided if I should ski or snowboard yet. I've snowboarded in the past. I'm not great, but I am scared of skiing. I feel like I should probably learn to ski so that we can go ski the Swiss Alps. And we have a ski trip in January with friends in Austria. So TBD. But had a good workout, and then I went and dropped off cookies that I baked for the single airmen. So it's put on by Chow, and this year not only are the single airmen in the dorms getting cookies, but single airmen who live off base will get cookies too. And then I went and sat in the sauna, which the sauna here is way hotter than Korea. I felt like in Kunsan I could sit in the sauna a lot longer, and here I just start burning immediately. And then I took a cold shower, which felt amazing. Now I'm going to the commissary. So since we last chatted, I went to the commissary. It was actually a really nice time to go to the commissary. No one was there. Then I drove over here. I'm in Rovereto right now, and I'm gonna go to my Italian class. It's currently 10:30, having a productive day, and I'm gonna try and drink 3 of these today. Nice Stanley cup, right? I feel very fancy. Alyssa got it for me, and I'm obsessed with it. I love that it fits in my cup holder too. It's perfect. All right, let's go learn Italian. Ciao. Diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing. Just getting back in the car after Italian. Favorite season. Home from Italian, just putting the groceries away and going to make something to eat. I think it's going to be a bagel and eggs. Shocker. As I mentioned, I made an everything bagel. I put cream cheese on one and eggs on the other. So gonna eat this, maybe hang out with Nolan a little bit. He is on night weeks, which means he doesn't go in until late. It's falling, Elfie's calling, check my list twice, most of y'all done, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season, sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. They say Nick, what you got up in that bag, yeah. I got racks in my sack, hurt my back, yeah. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, and Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, and Blitzen. No, I can't. I forget if I checked in, but I'm back home with Gunny. I've never made any of the half-baked harvest recipes, so I am making one of those right now. Chicken orzo, kale, lemon, mustard, and now I am making some kind of feta sauce to go onto it. All right, welcome back. Just Gunny and me having dinner tonight. I don't know if I'll vlog anymore. You thought you got rid of me, but I'm back. I decided I needed something really sweet because I just love dessert. I'm having some vanilla ice cream with rainbow sprinkles because they are the best. I put 2 Oreo cookies and kind of smushed them up in there. And now I'm gonna watch a cheesy Christmas video and edit a vlog. I don't know, night weeks are so funny because Nolan won't be home until late. Right now I'm making a thumbnail. I'm switching up the style a little bit just to see how I like it. I think this will be it for the video, for real this time. Thank you for watching Vlogmas. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Racks in my sack or my bag. Merry Christmas, everybody.